Dear friends, the news of Mr. Allu Arjun is hitting the national as well as the local print media all over. He was arrested, he sent to jail, got bail, and today is released. And he gave a statement about that. Now we'd like to analyze this case. First step is Mr. Allu Arjun episode was raised by India Today yesterday before Mr. Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu. Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu very clearly said that this gentleman was going, he's an actor, and he went on the road and suddenly came out of that car, waved. Seeing him, hundreds of people, crowd gathered. And then his bouncers pushed the crowd, and finally it resulted in death of a innocent lady, and her son is fighting for life, 9-year-old son. So it is a matter of law. Ours is a country driven by constitution, which is based on rule of law, and law is same for Peon or Prime Minister of India. Very clearly said. But the issue, Chief Minister of the state, the topmost person, executive, clearly explaining what happened, which shows that the Honorable Chief Minister, before taking an action, would have called for legal advice, expert legal advice, would have called for top police people. Because the result of that, political parties, opposition parties would like to take cash, milk that. And as it happened that BRS and BJP started attacking Revanth Reddy ji, BSF. Now, they are trying to say that parties, which is true. Allu Arjun, in a meeting before the release of the film, where he claimed to charge 1,200 rupees per ticket or more than that, for which he got permission from same Chief Minister. The Honorable Chief Minister took a favorable decision in his favor. You should remember when Pawan Kalyan's pictures were released in Andhra, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu used to stop it, create as much troubles as possible. You know that. But he is very magnanimous. But in the meeting, what he did, Mr. Allu Arjun, he said, I thank Chief Minister. What is his name? Like that, he said. Amazing. You are living in a state, and Revanth Reddy Garu is not an ordinary leader. He brought Congress party, which is nowhere in the picture, almost written off in the third place, to the first place. And he's able to run this administration so well. So he is not only a chief minister, but a leader with masks. And you forget his name, which he should have been an inspiration for every youngster, but not that big. Anybody would have got upset. We don't know whether Revanth Reddy ji got upset or not, but it is an insult. Not only that, he didn't stop, he went further and asked cinematographic minister's name also, and his something he said. It's a big offense as such. It is insulting a person, a leader of his stature. Even a normal human being will not like it. So he didn't repair himself. He should have ran to their houses. If he's genuinely missed, would have gone there. Not that rule of law country, they will have pardoned him and all. The law will take its own course. Even irrespective of that, he should have done this. Now he is jumping on the victory of that film. We don't know whether that collections figure is true or not. But What is the use of it? Today you got a good film, tomorrow it may go, another film go wrong. This happened to Rajinikanth, any big person. Therefore, and he comes from Allu Arjun, basically roots are from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, where Kapu community is about 28% population. And he is directly related to Chiranjeevi Garu and Pawan Kalyan Garu. And he is sending messages where that he is not supporting them or something, where he should have followed them. Leader, he thought he will become a leader. As a result, he became close to Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, who arrested Chandrababu Naidu and who is deadly, both are fighting together. No one will do when a person is in power. What is the point in attacking them, going against them? No, I don't know. What's the reason? He should create employment opportunities, protect that particular Kapu Samajik Vargam. Be as it may, not only for them, for everybody who are needy. Instead, that power is being used for showing himself as something great. This all culminated into media discussion everywhere. Now he wanted to show his film is going very well in North, worldwide and all. What is the use? In Ramayana, the Mandodari is, Ravan will tell, tomorrow, the last day, it will decide whether Sita or Mandodari will lose their husbands. Then she will ask, why are you fighting? What are you saying? Fighting is for getting victory. Name. Who are there to talk about you? Name means somebody has to talk. Your sons, relatives, brothers, everybody were killed in the war. Therefore, you need near and dear. But alas, now comes to the next question. Actually, Mr. Allu Arjun must thank the Honorable Telangana High Court. He is thinking that Niranjan Reddy argued and got no, the judge is brilliant and kind judge. First and foremost step is a petition came before the Lordships where the criminal OP section 482 of CRPC is invoked. Inherent jurisdiction, extraordinary jurisdiction. The court must be convinced that there is a great injustice will be done. Otherwise, they will not invoke it. Second is the bail petition will never be attached to that quash petition. Two things. Without applying for bail, he got interim bail. Second, the magistrate already put him in 14 days or 21 days judicial custody. That order has not come to this court. Thirdly, the other side, Niranjan Reddy was depending on learned senior counsel, depending on Arnab case and one case elsewhere where bail was granted and he was citing. So the public prosecutor, see, in inherent jurisdiction, the adjudication will be done like this. You should not think judge is favoring X, Y, Z. Honorable judge was very kind, very pleasant, correctly following the judicial process. She asked the public prosecutor. Public prosecutor should have taken first stand is that I don't know what is the case. I don't know what the litigation is about. And I need time to prepare. Give me time. Notice. Lordship would have given it. That's the first step. Principles of natural justice. He did not do. Second, you are going to merits of the case. When Niranjan Reddy ji said, the police are interested in seeing Allu Arjun. They have not done their duty. He made cast aspirations on merits of the case against the police. And third, he was showing that we have applied for permission and we have done our duty. He did not show the permission was not granted. Now, what the public prosecutor would have said after listening to him, first he would have not moved on the case itself, saying that I need time to prepare. Let the notice be served. Then we'll come prepared. Because he's relying on so many judgments I have to go through. I don't know what is the judgment delivered by magistrate. I need to study my team. That would have enough for not getting bail. One. Second, Arnab's case and Shah Rukh Khan's case delivered by Arnab's case delivered by Honorable Justice Chandrachud gave some order. It was not followed by Chandrachud himself in the next judgments. ED cases were there. Sai Baba died incarcerated and media men were arrested. Honorable Judge Chandrachud did not listen to that cases also. So in other words, Supreme Court which passed the order, precedent value has not been considered by Honorable Supreme Court. How can you dare? He could have said that. Thirdly, this is a culpable homicide not amounting to murder. In criminal laws, first point, they were trying to read out a judgment that is that complainant has given, trying to withdraw. Who is the complainant in a criminal case? The state is the complainant. And that person is only a witness. He did not say. The murder is a heinous offense. Whereas Arnab's case is freedom of speech. That is not been discussed. And here what happened, today Mr. Allu Arjun has said, I've been going for last 20 years. Nobody were listening. No, nothing happened. That's precisely the case. 20 years, nothing happened. Why it has happened now? You yourself admitted. Because the police say, you got up from that van. See the case, how they have drafted so well. He came to the theatre, came out from the sunroof of his vehicle and started waving to the public gathered there. This gesture attracted a lot of public towards the theatre main gate. At the same time, his private security started pushing people to make way for his vehicle. His team was intimated to take him back, citing large public gathering, but they didn't act on it. And Allu Arjun was there inside theatre for more than 2 hours. See, you don't need to go and murder somebody. In a culpable homicide, offenses relating to body, you'll have different stages. Hurt, grievous hurt, culpable homicide. There's no intention. He is not come with an intention to kill that madam. But his actions anybody, common man will know, by doing like that, it results in damage to property, life and limb of persons. Because of him. If he had not come, that's what Honorable Chief Minister has said, that he's come like this. If it had come inside calmly and gone, nothing would have happened. So therefore, he is under the impression. Then the next question for public is that there are so infirmities. Why this judge gave? Honorable judge is exercising the discretionary jurisdiction, inherent jurisdiction. Whenever you exercise the inherent jurisdiction, generally you have to hear both sides. This side is telling everything. The other side is not defending. So in one case I was arguing, the learned division bench took a stand that since your point is seriously, vehemently objected by the other side, we cannot grant you, though we want to grant you. So here he is not opposed it strongly, so that was granted. Then the learned judge, honorable judge would have said, okay, this person will not run away, where he will go. And already he is inside for some time, and let him be away. If not today, Monday you will get bail. Another 1 week's time. That's why the learned judge was very careful. Make sure it's only interim bail. Regular bail you apply and get it there. Because you invoked the jurisdiction, inherent jurisdiction is done like this. So the perfect judgment their lordships have delivered. See, he's going out or inside, case will go on, no trial will go on, merits will be tested. So now the question before Mr. Allu Arjun is very young, 35-year-old man. Extraordinary capabilities is having. But everybody will have. But God has given it. But he's thinking, but actual God's for him is his father, Allu Arvind. Then his mother was telling in an interview, he doesn't listen to anybody. Then Chiranjeevi Garu is there. Then do something good for his communities, Samajik Vargam, with the help of these people, with the help of Chiranjeevi, and Pawan Kalyan Garu is the Deputy Chief Minister. Now antagonizing all of them. First priority is he has to work very hard to suppress the bad feelings amongst themselves. And then look, another picture may be hit. That doesn't make anything. Unless these things are repaired, this case will go on for years. And mighty state you are trying to antagonize. You are thinking that Jagan Reddy will not come in the near next 10, 20 years or so. He may come, let us say, but where is the sure? Right now, he is not there. And siding him and all. I feel some good sense will prevail on him, and he will correct himself, and may God bless him. Thank you.